Pile. A group of things placed on top of each other. There was a pile of books on the table. Stir. To mix something up. Please pour the water and stir well with a spoon. Trim. To cut a little from something like hair, plants, or clothes to make it look better. I am trimming my garden. Grin. To smile widely, often showing teeth. He came to me and grinned at me. Pluck. To quickly pull or pick something, especially with fingers. I plucked off the petals of a flower. Dump. To throw away or drop something, especially in a careless way. Please don't dump your trash on the side of the road. Gulp. To swallow something quickly, often with a loud sound. I was so thirsty, I took a gulp of water. I quickly gulped my water. Bury. To put something under the ground. He is burying his all money in the backyard. Snap. To break quickly and suddenly, often with a sharp sound. The boy snapped the pencil into 2 pieces. Bump. To hit something or someone by accident. I bumped with the sign on the road. Roam. To move or walk around without a fixed direction or purpose. I am roaming here and there. Seal. To close something completely. I sealed the envelope and sent it. Bark. The loud sound a dog makes. I was there, the dog was barking. Exit. To go out of a place or to leave. We quickly exited an emergency door. Chat. To talk in a friendly and informal way. Okay, we can chat right now. Peel. To remove the skin or rind from something. I am peeling the apple for you. Leak. To allow light or fluid to escape. The water of rain is leaking from the ceiling. Knit. To make a garment, blanket, etc. I am knitting a blanket for my grandson. Deny. To say something is not true or to refuse something. I denied ice cream offer yesterday because of my cold. Feed. To give food to a person, group, or animal. I feed my dog in the morning. Weep. To cry, especially when you feel very sad or hurt. He wept at the news of her death.